In this tutorial, we're going to go over LeetCode 326, power of 3. Now, what this question is saying is it's saying, given an integer n, return true if it's power of 3, otherwise return false. An integer n is a power of 3 if there exists an integer x such that n equals 3 to the power of x. We can see here that input n27 is true, as 27 is just 3 to the power of 3. N of 0 is false, as there is no x where 3 to the power of x equals 0. Now, you can get the idea just from this here, and this is actually a pretty simple one, so we'll come right over to the coding section. All we really have to do for this is we can do a dictionary comprehension. So what we're going to do is we're going to do return n in, and we're going to do dictionary 3 to the power of I for I in range 20. Now, all this is essentially doing is it's generating a range of 20 numbers that are 3 to the power of I. So you'll get all numbers that are 3 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., all the way to 20. And essentially, this will test if n, the variable given, is in that range. Now, we could run this, and you can see it's accepted. We can submit. And you can see here that this answer beats 6% in terms of runtime and 83% in terms of memory. Not the greatest, but not the worst. Now, that's a simple solution to the power of 3 LeetCode question, number 326. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I hope that helps.